This Nintendo 64 is broken. It gets no power when I plug it in and press the power button. So we are going to take it apart and take a look at what's wrong. And so we took it apart and it's kind of dirty, I guess. But the main thing is there's a million screws on top of a shield covering the board. So that's annoying. I got to remove all those screws now. But also we got to clean the power and reset buttons because this is dirty and they're gross. Anyway, I removed the shield. I'm looking at the board. I don't notice anything immediate. The reset button does appear to be stuck down, which could definitely be causing this. But let's check the capacitors. They look fine. Let's check the chips. Whatever chip this is, I don't know what's on there, but this one is dirty. So we definitely have to clean this up. We got to blow it out with some compressed air. Or we could use Tizzy Q's toothbrush, which is, while we're in here, might as well clean the game reader, right? Anyway, let's put it in. Let's try turning it on. There we go. It's turned on. Does it work? Yeah, look. Yep, it's working. I'm pretty sure the issue was just the reset button was stuck on the actual motherboard. I don't know how that happens, but it's working now, and let's go put its clothes back on. There it is. There's the clothes back on, and it still works, and that's good. That means we did a good job cleaning it, and we didn't mess anything else up. But also, I forgot to put this back when putting it back together, so